Hello everyone, my name is Zach and welcome to the first video of Arctic Designs HD. This is my brand new graphics channel, and basically I was like, how can I start this off with a bang? So I thought and I was originally going to just do like a simple old GFX pack, with some pretty sweet like Cinema 4D stuff and just a couple of things like that, but that's just too normal. I needed to do something a little bit cooler. So what I ended up doing is collecting over 400 sounds for your intros and movies, and just a couple of bonus stuff. Just so you can have some high quality stuff, because I know there's not a lot out there. So there you go, guys. After this, you're going to be hearing some of the sounds that are in here. And the link in the description is downloadable, completely free. And if there's any problem with it, just tell me, and I'll put it to a better place for you guys to download. So hopefully you guys will like it and just listen to some of the tests. So I'll see you guys later.
Hi. Sleep mode activated. Wow, 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 wow. Searching. Hey, it's me. Canvassing. Hey, hey, hey.